Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by opening the Bing app and signing in. This links your search history and preferences across devices. Once signed in, make sure to grant microphone and location permissions if you want voice queries and local suggestions. These improve relevance and speed. Next, tap the search field and try a quick test query to confirm results appear. This verifies connectivity and account sync. If you prefer privacy, toggle off sync now. Just know you'll lose cross-device continuity. Once done with initial setup, explore the 3 query modes, text, voice, and image. By tapping their icons, voice is faster for hands-free tasks, while image search finds objects instantly. Make sure to use filters like date, region, or type to narrow results and reduce noise. You can also create collections and pin shortcuts for saved searches. This speeds repeat lookups and keeps resources organized. By combining filters and collections, you control precision versus breadth in results. To finish, enable the home widget or notifications so searches and answers are one tap away. This saves time. Make sure sync settings reflect what you want, history on or off, and confirm permissions are intact for voice and images. If something breaks, first check network connectivity and app permissions, then clear cache or sign out to force a refresh. If problems persist, reinstall the app. This resets corrupted files. One quick troubleshooting tip: test a simple search after each change to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.